Hello everyone, welcome to another video. So in today's video I will be showing you how to replace the Acer Nitro 5 notebook or gaming laptop battery, okay? As you guys can see over here, this is the battery. It's an AP18E8M. Okay guys, it's a 15.4 volt and you can see how big the amp hours are. So 3733 milliamp hours or 57.48 watt hours. Okay, so this is your battery. This is what you're going to be replacing if your laptop dies quickly, if your laptop is quickly running out of battery, or maybe it doesn't even charge at all. Perhaps that could be the problem, because that's typically a bad battery. So I'm going to show you now, and just for reference, this is the laptop over here. It's an Acer Nitro 5, guys, all right? That is the laptop, and yeah, so let's get to head and start replacing this battery. Okay, so for the purpose of this video, I have already pre-removed all the screws. So just for reference here, for those of you who don't know where the screws are, it's quite obvious, but I'm going to tell you anyways. We've got one in the middle, one at the top, one at the bottom, or two at the bottom over here. We got one over here in the corner, one over here, and one over here at the top. And then we have another 1, 2, 3, 4 down here. Okay, so 4 up here, 2 from here down to here. There's 2 more, and then we have 3 up the side onto the right. Okay, so I have already removed these screws, so I'm not going to go through that process. But you basically, to take this off, you just want to go up in the corner here. So just in here, you want to go in the corner and just flick your finger up here and just pop that up like that. And same on the other side, and then you just sort of just follow around, and it'll just simply pop off. Okay, and just so you guys know, this is the model of this laptop, by the way, just for reference here. It's a Nitro 5 N20C1. All right, and yeah, it's a 3060 graphics card. Alright, so the reason I'm making a couple of these videos today is because I was doing a couple of upgrades. This is my friend's laptop, and he's quite clueless when it comes to things like this. So that is why I am here to help, as I am the helpful friend. Alright, so just did an upgrade over here, so we added a new SSD, so that's pretty cool. You can watch my other video if you want to know how to upgrade your SSD. Just go and search for the other video. It's in my channel, it's in my playlist. I'll put it there. But today, for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to remove this battery right here. So there is 2 screws, okay? One screw will go right here, in here, okay? One screw is there. All right, I'm going to zoom in a little bit. So one screw goes here, all right? And then when you take down to the bottom, there's another screw just there. So total 2 screws. You want to undo that one, you want to undo that one, and you're going to have a piece of tape that will most likely be situated underneath your SSD. This will be an empty slot, most likely for your computer, unless you've upgraded it. So you will just have to go ahead and just peel off that tape and bring that back, okay? And you'll bring that back, and just over here, this is your connection, all right? So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to get a little flathead screwdriver, all right, just here. And I'm going to just, when I can get this out of the way, that is, I'm going to pop that there, okay? So I'm going to get this little flathead, right? And I'm going to just put that in the corner, and I'm just going to pop that out, just like that, on one side. And on the other side, I'm going to do the same thing. And you want to be gentle. You don't have to be rough with it. I mean, unless it likes it rough. And just pop it out like that, alright? Just like that. Okay, that is now good to go. And now your battery, when you pop it out, it's going to be sort of stuck in here in this corner. And it's going to be stuck over here in this corner. So when you go to pull it out, you're going to be wondering, why is the battery not coming out? So basically what you want to do is, you just want to pop that up here and then just sort of move it to that way. And you want to move this one over that way. And you're going to see that the battery will just come out. Okay. And now your battery is out. And I'm going to assume that you have a replacement battery. I don't, because my battery's fine, and I'm just showing you how to replace the battery for the purpose of this video. But in case you need to know what battery it is an AP18E8M, okay, made by Acer. I am sure that you could probably go on Amazon, and if I can find one on Amazon, I will link it in the description for you guys. And you can follow the link, and it will most likely be an affiliate link, because your boy needs some payouts, man. Your boy needs some commission, right? But you know what? I'm so helpful that I think that I would deserve a little bit of that commission, right? Anyways, that is how you do it. That's how you take your battery out. And now the process is literally the same, except you want to put your little plug in first, of course. So I'm going to go ahead and just pretend I've got a new battery. This is my new battery now, all right? And I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to push this in here like that, just like that, and it just clips in, all right? And then I'm going to get my battery and I'm going to put it in this little corner like that, all right? And I'm going to get the other corner. I'm going to do the same thing. And now the battery is going to sit nice and firmly. It's not going to move. You're going to make sure it doesn't move, and then you're going to get your screws, which we discussed earlier, right? You're going to get your screw. You're going to put this screw back in here, right, in the corner, like that. Then you're going to get your screwdriver, which is a star head, and then you're going to just do that in. Just do that in, just like that. And that's going to nice and firm in there. Don't do it too tight. You could strip the screw, and that's not good. So, you know, don't do it too tight. Trust me, they're only small screws. You really don't need to, you know, overdo it. So we can pop that in there just like that. All right, and just screw that in. Boom, boom, boom. Just like that, all right? And that is now your battery. Go back, get your tape, and you can just move your little piece of tape. Just wrap it over that SD card or SSD card or whatever you want to call it. Wrap it over, all good. Now, you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna get your cover, which I had just before. I'm gonna get the cover right here, and we are going to just put that back on, right? Make sure it's all lined up, and you're gonna just firmly press down, not too hard, like that. You're gonna hear it click in. Don't be afraid of the clicks, guys. The clicks is good things. I know, I get it. Sometimes you think that you're gonna break it and it sounds worse than it actually is, but in this case, this is a very normal sound, and it means that your cover is now in place and doing the thing that it should be doing, which is, you know, working, right? And now I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to get all of my screws. I'm going to start putting them all back in. I'm going to do up my laptop, and then I'm going to test my laptop and make sure that my laptop turns on. Well, in this case, my friend's laptop turns on. All right, let's do that. Okay, I have gone ahead. I've put the back cover on. I've screwed it all in. It is now good to go. And we're going to now plug that in. Plug that in. All right. That shows it is working, the charge is working. And now I'm going to turn on the laptop. And let's see how we go. I'm going to assume that this will start up and have no problems at all. Because we did everything right, didn't we? Okay, so I have gone into the settings and I've checked my battery. And it says that my battery is charging, which means that the battery was installed successfully. So hopefully this video helped you in some way or another. So yeah, if you want to, hopefully I'll be able to post a battery in the description, and that can be the battery that you guys can go and replace it with, or otherwise you are welcome to go and search for your own battery. Whatever floats your boat, friend. Anyways, I'm going to leave it here, and thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in another video. Alright, peace out.